Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Sock and Buskin by Gene. This continues our Renban theme week. Hope you're enjoying it. We're going to have Renbans all week. So let's go over the rules to this one. We do have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. So in each row, each column, and each 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have these purple lines in the grid. These are Renban lines, just like all week. So let's just take a small one here. The digits on the line form a non-repeating consecutive set. So, for example, 2, 3, 4 are three consecutive numbers, right? But we can put them in any order. So this could be like 2, 3, 4 like this. We don't care about the order. What we care about is when taken as a whole, all of the digits on the Renban, first of all, do not repeat, and secondly, form a consecutive sequence. So 2, 3, 4 being one option. All right. And then we also have these killer cages in the grid. These are these cells surrounded by dotted lines with a clue on the top left. Digits in a cage sum to the value in the top left. So these two sum to 7, these two sum to 7, and these two sum to 4. That's all we really need to know. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. First thing I notice is this really long Renban. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 long. So a 5-length Renban, because we can't repeat digits, right? We need a consecutive set. It's going to be either 1 through 5 or 2 through 6. Meaning it's only missing the 1 or the 6, right? We can always think about it that way. It's missing a single digit, and that digit can only be missing from the extremes. Otherwise, we would remove the ability to be consecutive. So either a 1 or a 6 is missing from this Renban. But the other thing I noticed is, let's talk about this. Let's call this, whatever this digit is, let's call that green. Where does green go in this row? Well, it can't repeat in the column, and it can't repeat on the Renban. So green's going to be in one of these two cells. And then if we call this purple, purple can't repeat in the column or on the Renban. So purple is going to go here or here. And then we also know that the 1 or 6 that's missing from this Renban, let's call that blue. We know that blue is not on this Renban. By definition, it's the digit that's not on the Renban. But it's got to go in this row somewhere. So it's going to go here. So this is kind of like a hidden triple, a green. In fact, we don't need white there. It is a green, purple, blue hidden triple, if that makes any sense. Meaning that these 3 cells are the other 3 colors, right? 7 can have any digit in it. It can be 1, 6, 2, 5, or 3, 4. 1, 6 doesn't work, though. It's either 2, 5, or 3, 4. 1, 6 would include both 1 and 6 on the Renban, which isn't going to happen. All right, these sum to 7, and these are consecutive. That might be interesting. That means this can't be 3, 4. If this was 3, 4, then we interrupt the ability for us to do 1, 2, 3, or 4, 5, 6, or anywhere in between. So this is either 1, 6, or 2, 5. Now 2, 5, does that also break things? I think 2, 5 might break things. We can't do 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, or 4, 5, 6. All right, so this is 1, 6 only. Meaning one of these is blue, for what it's worth. And so that means this is 2, 3, 4, or 3, 4, 5. Meaning it has 3 and 4 on it for sure. Wait. Okay, yeah, sorry, not wait. The digit missing from this Renban is a 1 or 6. Green is not a 1. Is not the missing digit then. Green is not the missing digit. Oh. Yeah, because it's on the Renban. Why is that an O? Okay, sorry. I was trying to think about some other things, but I'm not connecting the dots right. 4 is 1, 3. We should fill that. If this was a 1, we'd have to put a 2 here. If this was a 3, it could be with a 2 or a 4. These are just consecutive. Huh. I'm wondering about this being... Huh. Yeah. So a 4 length, right? It's going to be missing 2 digits. Can only be missing extremes. So it can be missing 1, 6, or 1, 2, or 5, 6. So it always has 3 and 4 on it. This is not going to be a 3. Actually, if this was 3, this is still 2. Because look, 3, 4 breaks this box. Because we know 3 and 4 are somewhere on this Renban here. And they can't both be in this cell. So this is always a 2. Meaning this can't be 2, 5, making it 3, 4. Meaning that this has to be one of the 3, 4s. Because whichever one this is, it won't be on the Renban here. So it's got to go here. which means this can't be 3 at all, because that makes this 4, and again, it breaks the ability to put 3, 4 up here. So it's kind of a virtual pair. I want to think about it that way. So that's 1, that's 3. That's 4, that's 3. That places the 3 there, as we said. DD Doot in the corner with that 3. The 4s point down, making this a 5 or a 6. So we're not one. Oh, we could. Yeah, we're not 1, 2, 3, 4. So we don't have a 1 on this red band. We could be 3, 4. We could be 2, 3, 4, 5, right? All right. So what is this triple then? We've got 1. We need 2. Ah, the 2 looks up. We know green is 2. And then so this is a 4, 5 pair. Right, 6 in this column goes here. So this has to be 4, 5 to bridge the gap between 3 and 6. This is a pair. This is not 1. This is 2, 5. Ah, and this 2 tells us the order. That's 5, that's 2. So this is a pair, and this is a pair. This is 4, 5, and this is 1, 6. So this, is this the... I don't know. This is a 5, 6 pair. Ah, so 1 is... Wait, is it a 5, 6 pair? Oh, sorry. I sort of just assumed 1 was missing because of the 2, 3, 4. These are 1, 5, 6. I was like, when did I prove it didn't have a 1 on it? I didn't. Another 3-cell ren band here and a consecutive ren band here. It's not 4, 5, I suppose. In fact, this can't be 4 or 5. Well, actually, what's left here? This is 2, 6. So if this was a 6, this would have to be 5, and it can't be. So that's a 2, that's a 6. That places a 2 here. So this is our green. And so this is our blue. And so then this is our purple. Remember, blue was the missing 1, 6. That means that purple is 1, 6 here. And that makes this a 5. That's 4 and 5. That's 5 and 4. This can't be 1 because the 1, 6 pair. So this is 3. This is from 1 to 1, 4, 6. The 4 can only go here. This is the purple 1, 6. I don't think I need to call this green anymore because it's called 2. There's a 2 on... there's a 2 up here. There's a 2 on this ren band. It's right here. What is this digit? This is a 4, so this has to be a 3 to bridge the gap. That's 5 and 4. So we know that this is actually blue-purple. And we know the order. So the blue 1, 6 is here, and the 6 tells us the order. So all the blues are 1s, all the purples are 6s. That's a 1. We've got a 1 here, we've got a 3 here, and we got a 5 here, and we're done. All right, we get another DT Doot in the corner. Nice. Maximal DT Dooting today. Neat puzzle, Gene. I enjoyed that. The way I colored it, it actually like simplified the ending a bit there, I think. There probably was a way to get through that without having those colors, but it really helped. All right, cool. Well, hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.